Okay, 1 is the backlight brightness, can be set from 1 to 3 I think it is, depending on how bright you want the display. 2 is the mileage unit, again can be set between kilometres and miles. 2 options there. 3 is the voltage class, 24, 36, 48 volt depending. 4 is the hibernation time. I think that's how long the screen stays on. 5 is the power gear. Not too sure on that one. Not too sure what that means. I think it's how fast it goes on throttle only in each gear. 6 is the wheel diameter. 24. Yeah, 20-inch wheels need to be set at 24 because of you've got the tyre as well. You see. 7 is the magnets. Magnet steel number. 8, speed limiter. This is where you set the maximum speed. It only goes up to 63 on this, whatever that means, I don't know. 9, 0 start and non-start. Again, that's something to do with the throttle. 10, drive mode settings. I think you can have power assist only, electric only, things like that. 11 is power assist sensitivity. I think that's how many revolutions of the pedals it takes. 12 is the assist power intensity, how quickly it starts off when the motor kicks in. 13, magnet steel numbers. Again, not too sure on that one. 14 is the current limit value. That's how many amps. That's it, it's set to 18 here. 15 is the low voltage value. This is when the battery cuts off, when the voltage drops to, well, 39 is it's set in this. 16, that's to reset your odometer. Sorry. 17 is turning the cruise control on and off, although I haven't got this to work yet. Setting it to 1 or 0. So I've still got things to do with that one. 18 is display speed ratio. No, don't know what that does. 19, effectiveness. Again, no idea what that is. 20, protocols. Yeah, no idea. No idea. The rest, 21 to 26. Basically, you don't touch them. Yeah, I had a letter from ENGWE telling me the default settings, and it said don't touch these. So what you see here is what they should be. I think if you mess with them, it'll stop your bike working. Anyway, I hope that's been of help to some. If ever you mess up your settings, you can put them back again. Okay, thanks for watching.